Hello students, today we will discuss OS module and Sys module. Firstly, OS module. OS module in Python provides a way of using operating system dependent functionalities. As you know, there are some function in Python which depends upon the operating system. To use that function, we need one module and that module is called OS module in Python. There are some commands that are related with OS module that you can use with. It provides uh, this module provides a different way by which we can access different function of the operating system. This provides a big range of useful method to manipulate files and directories. Firstly, we will discuss few of them. Rest you can explore over the internet and find out different commands and try yourself. Now we will discuss os.name firstly. By using the ideally you have to import os, that is the name of the module, then os.name. This will return you the current operating system that you are working on. As I am currently working on Windows operating system, so it will give me a result that is empty. Then is current working directory. If you want to know the current working directory, then the command is get cwd. As currently I am working in C drive and Python folder, that's why I am getting here C Python. If I want to know the list of directories and files that are existing in my current working directory, the command is list dir. These are all the files and directory that are existing in my current working directory. I can also make a new directory by using the command mkdir. As you can see, there is no any directory with the name of x here. I am going to make a directory with the name of x by using the command mkdir, and with mkdir it has been created, and with list dir I can check after over there in the previous command list dir there is no any file with the name of x, and in the current scenario you can see x is existing. That means x folder has been made in my C Python folder. Similarly, I can make a file by the same way, or I can create subdirectories by using the same way. And if I want to rename the file, I want to rename the X folder with the Y folder. Then the command is os.rename, the name of existing file and the new name, that means old name and new name, and the name has been renamed. If I will check it again, then I can check it after the vowel instead of x. You can see there is y that has been existing, that means x has been replaced by the y. That then further, if I want to remove directory, the command is rmdir, and I will write the particular name that I want to delete. The x is not existing by mistake. I have written here x, and I want to delete y. The y has been deleted. I will again check by the command list dir. You can see here after vowels there is no file with the name of x here. And you can see there are two files commands. One is rmdir, other is remove dirs. The difference between two is, if I have created some subdirectories, as you can see here in the mkdir, if I want to make single directory, the command is /test. I have written here. And if I want to create subdirectories, then I will give the further path and create the subdirectories according to it. By the second command, it means I have created a test1 folder inside a test folder in the C drive. With rmdir, firstly I have to remove the subdirectories, then only I can remove the main folder. But in the case of remove dirs, I can remove all the folders and subfolders, directories or subdirectories in one go. I don't have to remove all the subdirectories firstly, and then only I can delete the main directory. I can simply delete all the folders in simple step, that is remove dirs. This is a general question that can be asked: what is the difference between rmdir and remove dirs? You can say here, in rmdir you have to remove subdirectory first, then only you can remove the main directory, and in remove directories you can remove all the directories and subdirectories collectively or in one go. Then further, there is environment get home. This will just tell you where your OS folder has been first installed. Then to make it you clear, I will again run ideally so that you can see the output clearly. I will again import OS, and then OS dot get cwd, that is current working directory. And if I want to change the path here, then that is chdir, that is change directory. I want to change from C to D drive. Then I will again check get current working directory. Then I will get D colon here. That means my path had been changed from C to D. Then further, that is the Sys module. In Python, Sys module provides easy function that allows to interact with the interpreter directory. By the same way, you can import Sys module. You know, there are different ways by which you can use import your modules. When you want to interact directly with interpreter, you will use the Sys module. Firstly, you will check there are some commands have been written. Similarly, you can explore over the internet and find out more commands related to Sys module. I will open the IDLE. Then I will import here, import sys, then sys dot version. It will tell the current version and date and time at which on which my Python has been first installed over this system. Then is, if I want to check system std error dot write text, it means if you want to change the text color, then you will choose here standard error. Then you can check here, it will give the number of count of the letters, that is 4, and both the colors are different here. Then if you want the same color, then there is a command that is called sys. Instead of std err error, I will write standard out, and when I run this command, I will get the complete text, the entire text in the same color. Then is sys dot platform. It will give the platform, that is window. Here in my system, it will give the output according to your platform. Then sys dot copyright, it will, okay, by mistake I have given the parenthesis. Okay, this will give the copyright permission of that is related to the Python software foundation. There's a system.exit. This will work similarly as your exit function will work in C or C++. In this, your exit function will work after printing hello1. You cannot see your hello2 because sys.exit has been written here. The main here is sys.argument v. Similarly, as in your C or C++, you run your command line programs, and here in Python, this is used when you want to run your command line program. I will copy this program and I will run it on ideally. Firstly, that is import sys, then is print sys dot argument. It will give the name of the program that you have written here. That is just your wish whether you want to write here or not. Then it will 4 ranges here. The I will go in the range of the length of the program. It will go, and if the value of I is 0, it will give you a single argument, and if the length is more, it will print all the arguments that you have given here. Firstly, argument 0 will always be considered the name of the program. That will be, I have written here function name. You can write anything here on name of the program, as percentage s will represent the string value and percentage g will represent the integer value. Firstly, you will get 1 argument, 2 argument, 3 argument, and so on. When I will run this program, I can get this output on my CMD. To make it more clear, I will run this program. Firstly, open your command line, then cd / go to the particular path on which your Python has been installed. As you know, my Python is in C drive, and I will give the path here cd Python. Then this mean currently I'm in C drive and in Python folder. Then I will write here I will save this program with the name 1.py. Remember, I have saved the name of the program as 1.py. Then I will write here name of the program, that is 1.py. This is the way by which you can see this is here. That is function name is C. You can check here. It will print the function name. Firstly, it will print the system dot argument, that is the in the list C Python 1.py, that is system argument, and the first argument here is 1.py. So it will return me C Python 1.py as when the value of I equal to 0. But if I want to check what is in my else part, then I will go to the CMD. I will write here 1.py and I will write here I am student here. You can write anything here. Then you can check here the function name has been given here, and the entire argument line that you have given here as an argument I am student here, that has been splitting it into a list. After the first line you can see, then the 1 argument is I, 2 argument is M, then 3 argument is student, 4 argument is here. This is the way by which you can run your command line program. Thank you.